Good morning. This is MetLoop meteorologist Dave Elliott with your weather outlook for Thursday, January the 19th, 2017. And starting off with the radar loop across the country, what we're seeing right now is a pretty unsettled pattern. Starting out in the west, we've got a jet stream that's dipping pretty far south and then heading back north. Well, what that's doing is bringing a lot of rain and snow showers and just general instability out into the western portions of the U.S. Out ahead of that, in the central U.S., we have a low pressure system in the upper and mid levels of the atmosphere that's just rotating. And as it does that, it's pulling a lot of this really warm and moist air from the Gulf of Mexico inland. And as a result, it's causing a lot of thunderstorms and rain showers right now. And we're going to be watching that throughout the day today. And switching over to the temperature map, you can sort of see the outline of the pattern I just talked about, where we see cooler temperatures going all the way down into the southwestern U.S. and then pushing back up to the north. Underneath this ridge of high pressure, we're seeing warmer temperatures, and again, a lot of moisture here across the Gulf region that's helping to trigger some severe weather through the day today. So what are we looking at as far as the outlook today? Well, you can see again, a lot of rain showers and some freezing rain and snow up in the higher elevations out in the western areas is going to continue throughout the day today. However, we're not expecting to see anything too significant or severe levels out there. Of course, if we go down here to the south, it's going to be a different story. Again, we've got lots of available moisture and warm air coming in off of the Gulf of Mexico ahead of that low pressure sitting back in the central plains. So right now, you can already see the darker red areas are some really intense thunderstorms and a lot of heavy rain in there. We've had some reports of upwards of 2 inches here in the last few hours this morning, and we've had a couple of tornado warnings get issued here in the central Mississippi area. We expect to see this sort of pattern continue here for the next, really through the weekend, honestly. For today, however, what we're going to be really keeping an eye on is heavy rainfall from Tennessee all the way back into southern Louisiana. We could see upwards of 2 to 3 inches here over the next 24 hours as this system really slowly moves eastward. In addition to that, we're going to be seeing some real strong thunderstorms. As I mentioned, we've seen a couple of tornadoes already, and I think particularly along the southern edge of this, out ahead of it, we're going to see a really good chance for some strong thunderstorm wind gusts and possibly, well, not possibly, we've already seen a couple, but some tornadic activity. So if you're in the south central Gulf region, please be safe and keep an eye on the weather. And that's your outlook for the day today. Hope you have a good weather day wherever you are, and please be sure to follow MetLoop on Facebook and Twitter for all the latest and most accurate weather information.